day of the month of April, year 2013. Exact location natin is dito sa Ballesteros Central School, wherein the seminar is being undertaken by the COMELEC for the BEIs as the supports and supervisor. So we have there the microphone, the election officer of Ballesteros, this seminar is being participated in by almost 200 people. So ito na po yung kabuuan ng ating mga participants dito sa ongoing seminar by the COMELEC. Just a few days before election, ito nabibigyan sila ng briefing tungkol po sa mga pangyayari o mga major elections. So here we are.
At hindi, ano yung mukha sa ID ay baka po, the land bank has the right to cancel.
We have the election officer of Ballesteros giving some instructions, reminders to all the Board of Election Inspectors as well as supervisors. Today, 30th day of April 2013.
So May 4, ano ba yun? BIs will receive the PCOS machine. May 5, get the materials. May 6, final testing and sealing. Bring your bound papalakad mga kapatid.
So this is
during the election, they bring your bound. Your own bound, your own snacks and your own lunch.
So again, we make a roving shot of the participants of the ongoing seminar conducted by the COMELEC for all the Board of Election Inspectors as well as supervisors. It is a total of almost 200 personnel.
The special Board of Election Inspectors, we have the Tuguegarao City, Ballesteros, and 12. Now, the SPI,
so there you have her at the roster. We have our election officer, Ma'am Arellano of
you have to meet before 6 o'clock at the polling place at BJMP to prepare the table where the envelope of your ballot will be inserted to be by the voters, retained voters. Okay. So, scenario po you have a table here, yung envelope na expandable.
Okay, so in the process of the seminar which is now going on right here at Ballesteros Central School, this last day of the month of April, the chairman of each polling booth are now receiving the enrollment form for the cash disbursement coming from Land Bank, and that's the form. So magpapatuloy po tayo ng pagbibigay ng mga kaganapan dito pa rin sa Ballesteros Central School na nagaganap ang isang briefing seminar na tinataguyod po ng COMELEC para sa mga BEIs and supervisors. Ulitin natin, ang mga chairman ay now receiving the enrollment form for the Land Bank cash card which shall be used by the different members of the BEIS.